Updating your email address on Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and payment cards. Step 2. Access your Apple Pay settings. Tap on the three dots or the icon in the top right corner of the Wallet app. This will take you to your Apple Pay settings. Step 3. Select your payment card. Choose the payment card for which you want to update the email address. This will allow you to edit the associated information. Step 4. Edit email address. Look for the option to edit your email address. Enter the new email address you wish to use and confirm any prompts to save the changes. Step 5. Verify your changes. After updating, check to ensure that your new email address is displayed correctly. You may also want to log out and back into your Apple ID to ensure all settings are synchronized. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Apple Pay. Make sure to keep your information up to date for a seamless payment experience.